Boo. Good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching. Thank you for joining us. Today we are back at Pleasant Acres, which is now our third video from Pleasant Acres. We actually arrived yesterday. We got everything set up late yesterday. Little update on the tow vehicle situation. So if you guys watched our last video, we got rear-ended out in Lancaster County. Unfortunately, as you can see, we do have the camper with us. That's because we were fortunate enough to be able to find a way to get the camper out here, which we won't really talk about in detail. We are here camping. They did not ruin our camping trip for this weekend. The kids are up at the front of the campground right now, so we're gonna head up there, and I think we're gonna do some hay rides, do some activities, and the dog is going crazy in there because he's mad that we're leaving him, but we cannot bring him. Oh, we found the kids. They're on the bounce house, or the bounce pad. Shocker. Found the hayride barn. That's where we gotta wait for the hayride, I guess. Let's go grab these kids. You guys gonna come on the hayride?
No.
No? Are you gonna come on the hayride?
Play.
You're gonna play on the bounce pad?
When is the hayride?
At 11.
Can Abby come and play?
We're gonna go on the hayride first. Otherwise, we're never gonna get her off this thing.
Okay.
We'll be right back. We've reached a point where our kids don't want to go on the hayride anymore. What a bummer. Luckily, Abby still wants to go on the hayride. We lost Abby to the bounce pillow. It's a pretty good chance she's gone for good.
I need more water. Okay.
What is it? What kind of food truck is it?
Has all kinds of stuff. Best cheesecake, voted the best cheesecake in New Jersey.
Like for 10 years.
For 10 years.
Are you sure about that?
I don't know, they have stickers on the side that says that.
I might have to be the judge of that. So here's the cart. Open at 6 p.m. Oh, they're up the creek. All right. And they're going to be at the Sussex County Flower Maze on 9/1 from 11 to 5. Well, they're here at 6 o'clock. They've got stuffed potato skins, Italian street corn, pan pizza, meatballs, loaded mashed potato bowl, and cheesecake. Apparently they were voted the best cheesecake in New Jersey from 2021 all the way through to 2025. Pretty impressive. Who's ready for the hayride? Woohoo! Alright, hayride complete. Stubbs and I are on the way back to the camper now. I got a brine of pork shoulder that I'm gonna do tomorrow. And beautiful day though. I gotta say, 2 weeks in a row of solid camping weather. Go to sleep till tomorrow. Let's see it, Kaylee. Whoa! Just took Abby for a little walk and got her to fall asleep. The kids and Stubbs are hard at work over here on a wicked game of big block Jenga.
Look at what I did.
Oh God. If that thing falls, Stubbs is a dead man. Oh, there it goes. Oh.
It's gonna fall, Kaylee. What?
Not only is everything tilted this way, but it's also on a picnic table that's got uneven board. So this is like the hardest game of Jenga ever. Ooh, she's going low. She's going low.
Wait, how am I
But as I was mentioning, anytime you see that, it is an absolute win. So I got a few cheddar brats left from last week that I gotta cook, so I'm gonna warm these up now. Court's making some sandwiches for the kids, and then it's not hot out, but we might just go to the pool because it is a pretty nice pool here. So we'll see. I mean, we're just kind of chilling. Not really much to report. Just to put it into perspective, beautiful day. Kaylee's literally the only person in the pool right now because the water is that cold. It's got to be 70 degrees most. Nick was in for about 3 minutes and he's out.
I'm cold.
So Nick just realized while we were sitting by the pool that there's a foam party over here. We're going to dominate it. We're on our way up to the front. Kaylee's up there right now. She's been up there for basically the entire afternoon. She met a couple friends. Nick, unfortunately, is out for the count right now. He is sleeping. He's not feeling well. Hopefully he'll be okay when he wakes up, but fingers crossed on that. What are you doing, Abs?
Hudson, come here. Hudson.
Woo!
Show me how high you
Bounce over here, Abs. Now comes the fun part where Court tries to get Abigail off the bounce pillow again. You hear that? Is that happening right behind me? Oh, this is gonna be a fun walk back. We're getting ready for dinner here. So Stubbs stumbled across 2 of these grills. This is one of them. Look how much more cooking space is on here. Unfortunately, I was the benefactor of the other one, which I still haven't used yet. Meanwhile, Nick's over here watching the Meg. He's not feeling too well though. He's maxing and relaxing on the hammock. That's a solid looking burger right there. How's yours, Court?
I forgot the spicy.
Look at that pasta salad. Ooh. Abby girl, what are you doing? Jill, you ate already? Smoker is all set up. I'm gonna throw that pork shoulder on probably around 11:30, 12 o'clock tonight, and then hopefully it'll be done by like mid-afternoon tomorrow. Shred up around 3, 4 o'clock, and then we can have it for dinner. Early dinner, but beats the heck out of getting up at like 5 in the morning and doing it. Light up bracelets. I have never seen at 9, 10 at night a parade come through a campground before, but they did it here. It was actually kind of cool. We were like thinking how obnoxious it was listening to it, but then we realized they were actually doing a parade. But yeah, just wasting time until I can put this pork shoulder on.
I'm eating cake.
Take it. Court's eating cake.
Oh, apple cake.
I'm eating cake too.
It's good. It's good.
I thought it was.
Shocker, Stubbs. You're eating? No way. The pork shoulder is officially in the smoker. It's just about 11 o'clock. I'm exhausted. See you guys in the morning. Hopefully this thing doesn't trip a breaker or anything tonight. Sunday morning is upon us. Got the smoker going all night long, hovering at a solid 250 internal temperature of the smoker. Right now the pork shoulder is at 170 and it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. So we should be ready to go by late afternoon. We should hit that 190, 200 mark that we're looking for. Now is when it's gonna start to slow down. In the meantime, we've got breakfast going over here. We got some scrambled eggs today. We've got some Taylor ham. Abby's all excited to go meet the farm animals.
But she's not if she doesn't eat.
Abby, you have to eat. No.
The bunny.
You're gonna hold a bunny? You got a dinosaur napkin? Oh no.
Okay, we dropped it.
And we are off on our way up to the front once again, making the ultimate trek here to go pet some animals. Whatever that's gonna mean. We'll find out in a few minutes.
She's petting a bunny.
Oh, Abby's petting a bunny.
I stepped in it yesterday.
Here's Abby's friends.
In the bin.
Corn. Yo, what are you doing? Oh, we're back at the bounce pillow again. This thing is, we gotta get one of these for our yard, Court. We could fit one of these in the woods. Clear out some trees.
Definitely.
Who needs a pool when you just have a giant bounce pillow?
I'd rather pool.
We're not getting a pool. We're still at the bounce pillow because there's no farm animals. We're gonna have petting animals on your petting animal tour, right? The petting zoo experience was pretty funny. They're basically just a bunch of bunnies in a pen, but it's just a plastic like kid gate. So every time they let kids in and out, they have to like make sure the bunnies don't run out. And then they also have a goat that does not want to be here right now. So it's pretty crazy.
Oh, that's a cool camera. Last time.
Oh man, look at that. It got done way earlier than we expected, but I'm not complaining. Let's see how it shreds. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that, huh?
Oh.
And if you work in the sewing industry, George Lingo.
We also took a mac and cheese that we had made previously and popped that in the smoker with some cheese melted on it. Oh, I'm gonna eat all of this. We are going to take a ride to the ice cream place, which is located at a farm right outside. So we've been to this place before. We've posted this in our other videos. This is Court right here, wanting ice cream.
Love ice cream.
2 o'clock in the afternoon. Don't want to hit this fire pit behind us. All right, see you there. We've arrived at Green Valley Farms. So there were a bunch of cows in this pasture yesterday, but there's none there today. Huh, wonder where they all are right now. They have a nice little sitting area here, but they also have down in where those sunflowers are, they have a huge playground now that they did not have the last time we were here. So I have a feeling we'll be walking down there. Got that White House cherry. It's like maraschino cherries. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was going to be like almost like a black cherry ice cream, but tastes good. Look at that view. That's beautiful.
Big ice cream.
Stubbs got a sundae.
Big ice cream.
Abby found some chickens over here. Look at these chickens. Look at them all.
So mad. It says do not open on the chicken coop.
What are these doing over here? Look, they're like fighting with each other.
Ow! Hey cameraman guy thingy. It says do not open. I wanted to see the eggies.
Yeah, no, that means don't open them.
I know, no food.
There's no food, right?
Dad, that was
Here's all the cattle. All hanging out up here. They were all in that field grazing when we pulled in the other day. I've got to say, I mean, we've come here for ice cream. This is our third time here now. This is the first time we've ever actually like come down to the field It is absolutely beautiful. Look at the sunflowers behind me here. Like looking up at the farmhouse. This has like been the most beautiful weekend as far as weather goes. This is topping off our last day. As always, there's nothing better than watching Cora try to get our 2-year-old out of anything that's tight that she can't fit into. This should be fun. Let's see how long it takes. Court's calling and back up. I think she's outside. Is she coming down the ramp? Oh no, Court's going up the ramp. Now is when the run starts. Let's see where she goes. Oh, no, Court got her. Court got her. Mission accomplished. Court got her. Look at these two just living their best lives over here. Hanging out on the hammock. Watching a little Spy Kids. Who's got it better than you guys?
Here it is.
Nobody. We went to the pool. I actually went in today. We were only there for like 15 minutes. 20 minutes max. And then Nick got another nosebleed.
King was nowhere to be found.
Kaylee didn't want to be in there anymore, and Abby was freezing cold, so we all came back. And now we're just sitting here. So we're just gonna do leftovers for dinner. I'm gonna start getting things cleaned up around 7, and then we head out tomorrow. Another successful weekend though at Pleasant Acres.
Don't forget the fire.
All right, so we regrouped after the pool fiasco, and Scotty Mac gave us some of the beef bacon. So I went outside the box of what he told us to do. I cubed it up. I've got it on the Blackstone right now. I'm cooking it up like burn ends with some butter. And then under here, we're doing some of the chicken fajitas from the first night, just reheating those. So we'll see how this comes out. I don't know if I've just created sacrilege, but that is looking absolutely phenomenal. Well, we are all cleaned up out here. Everything's ready to go back in the camper tomorrow. Stubbs got his stuff cleaned up too. We're heading out tomorrow. See you guys in the morning. Could never be upset that it's before 9 a.m. and that whole back corner is packed up already. That's usually like an 11 o'clock a.m. type of thing. Well, this camera battery is about to die, and I don't feel like going through the trouble of taking the GoPro out of the housing to put a new battery in at this point. So we're cleaning up. You've already seen what this process looks like if you've watched any of our other videos. So with that being said, we're done, son. Court is frowning on me having a drink while we walk up to the front of the It's a 15-minute walk to get all the way up to the front of the campground.
You don't need to drink that.
Anyway,